Today I'll bake some sweet potato. These are Jamaican sweet potato. I'm just going to wash them and slice them down the center. Use a sharp knife to cut down the center of the sweet potatoes. Be careful not to cut yourself while doing so. This is Italian seasoning, so 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning.
Italian spices and herbs. A little bit of salt.
A teaspoon of sea salt. Teaspoon of jerk seasoning or chicken seasoning.
Jerk seasoning.
Okay. Use 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Combine with the seasoning. Then apply them over the sweet potato. Use a brush to gently brush the oil with the seasoning on the potatoes. Okay. Turn the potatoes face down on your baking tray. Cover with foil paper. Then bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now we're going to make our barbecue chicken. I have chicken thigh that have been seasoned, marinating in the fridge for overnight. So place them skin side up in a baking pan as it's lightly greased. Cover with foil paper. Next, we're going to make our sauce. So we squeeze orange juice, add a quarter cup to half a cup of ketchup, barbecue sauce, quarter cup to half a cup, tablespoon of honey, and some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Mixed well. After 45 minutes in the oven, we're just going to add our sauce over the chicken thighs. Sprinkle some oregano over top. This is optional. Okay, now our potatoes are ready. These are nice and golden brown. We serve them with our barbecue chicken, and these were in the oven for total 1 hour, and now it's ready to be served. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like. Thank you.